Today's story is The Princess and Her Promise. It is a warm spring day. A princess is outside. The princess has a gold ball. She plays with the gold ball every day. The princess comes to a pond. She bounces the gold ball around the pond. Suddenly, she misses the gold ball. The gold ball falls into the pond. The princess starts crying. She cannot find her gold ball anywhere. Where is my gold ball? The princess hears something from the pond. She looks at the pond. A frog comes out of the pond.
Ribbit, Princess, why are you crying? Ribbit,
My gold ball is in the pond.
Ribbit, I can get your gold ball. What can you do for me? Ribbit,
The princess wants her gold ball very much. I can give you anything. My clothes, my jewels. The frog wants a different thing.
Ribbit, I want a friend. I want to live with you. Ribbit,
The princess is surprised. Of course, I will promise. The frog jumps into the pond. Soon the frog comes out of the pond. He has the gold ball with him.
Ribbit, is this your gold ball? Ribbit,
Yes, it's my gold ball. She is happy. The princess takes the gold ball and runs away. Stop, princess. Take me with you. That evening, the princess has dinner with a king. She hears a knock on the door.
Ribbit, please open the door, Princess. Ribbit,
The princess is afraid. She doesn't open the door. The king frowns. What's the matter, princess? The princess tells him about the frog. The king is not happy with the princess. You must keep your promise. Open the door. The princess opens the door. The frog jumps onto the table.
Ribbit, I am hungry. Can I eat with you? Ribbit,
Okay, but do not stay long. The frog eats a lot.
I am sleepy. Can I sleep with you?
Of course not. You cannot sleep here. The king comes to the princess. You must keep your promise. Take the frog to your bed. The princess takes the frog to her bed. She puts the frog on her pillow. The next morning, the princess wakes up. She is surprised. A handsome prince is beside her. She cannot find the frog. The prince thanks the princess. Thank you, princess. You are a nice princess. You keep the promise. The princess is ashamed. The prince and princess become very good friends.